Welcome to Distance Destination, your ultimate guide to awe-inspiring travel experiences. In today's episode, we're uncovering the 25 must-see places in Switzerland. Brace yourself for breathtaking vistas, adventure, and unforgettable moments. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1 is Zermatt and the Matterhorn. Our journey begins in the enchanting Zermatt, where we'll gaze upon the iconic Matterhorn, a sight that's sure to leave you speechless. Number 2 is Interlaken. Next up, adrenaline junkies unite in Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland. Prepare for heart-pounding thrills amidst stunning natural beauty. Number 3 is Lucerne. In Lucerne, we step into a fairy tale with its medieval charm, nestled by the mesmerizing Lake Lucerne. It's a picture-perfect paradise. Number 4 is Jungfraujoch. Get ready for an epic train journey to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, where you'll be surrounded by jaw-dropping alpine panoramas. Number 5 is Geneva. We'll immerse ourselves in the cosmopolitan vibes of Geneva, a city that's not just about diplomacy but also boasts stunning parks and lakeside beauty. Number 6 is Lauterbrunnen Valley. Discover the enchanting Lauterbrunnen Valley, a magical realm of waterfalls and hiking trails that'll transport you to another world. Number 7 is Swiss National Park. For the nature enthusiasts, we delve into the pristine wilderness of Swiss National Park, where wildlife and untouched beauty await. Number 8 is Zurich. Switzerland's largest city, Zurich, is not just about business. It's a cultural hub with world-class museums and vibrant city life. Number 9 is Bern. Prepare to time travel in Bern, the capital city with its UNESCO-listed old town and storybook-like streets. Number 10 is Montreux. Music lovers, get ready. Montreux offers the world-famous Montreux Jazz Festival and the captivating Chillon Castle by Lake Geneva. Number 11 is Lausanne. We'll explore Lausanne, a city where Olympic history meets artistic brilliance on the shores of Lake Geneva. Number 12 is Grindelwald. For postcard-worthy landscapes, we head to Grindelwald, a charming alpine village surrounded by majestic mountains. Number 13 is Mürren. Car-free and serenely beautiful, Mürren offers the ultimate alpine retreat with unparalleled views. Number 14 is St. Moritz. We'll bask in luxury and winter sports in St. Moritz, the jewel of the Engadin Valley. Number 15 is Lugano. Italy meets Switzerland in Lugano, a city with Mediterranean charm and the allure of Lake Lugano. Number 16 is the Swiss Alps. Prepare for a grand adventure as we explore various regions of the Swiss Alps, a playground for outdoor enthusiasts.
Number 17.
Lake Geneva. We'll embark on a boat trip on Lake Geneva, taking in the beauty of its promenades and charming lakeside towns. Number 18 is Rhine Falls. Witness the awe-inspiring Rhine Falls, Europe's mightiest waterfall, near Schaffhausen. Nature's power at its finest. Number 19 is Appenzell. Join us in the picturesque Appenzell, where traditions and cheesemaking blend seamlessly. Number 20 is Gruyères. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Gruyères is your paradise with its medieval town and the world-famous Gruyères cheese. Number 21 is Berner Oberland. Explore the Berner Oberland region, where adventure meets natural beauty in an unforgettable way. Number 22 is Engadin Valley. The Engadin Valley promises pristine lakes, charming villages, and endless outdoor opportunities. Number 23 is Matterhorn Museum. Dive into the captivating history of Zermatt and the Matterhorn at the Matterhorn Museum. An immersive journey awaits. Number 24 is Thun. Thun, with its historic old town and captivating castle on Lake Thun, is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. And last, number 25 is Aletsch Glacier. Our grand finale takes us to the Aletsch Glacier, the largest in the Alps and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a natural wonder. There you have it, fellow travelers, the top 25 places to visit in Switzerland. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or simply the beauty of nature, Switzerland has it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Distance Destination. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your horizons. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Switzerland on Distance Destination. If you're as captivated by the beauty of the world as we are, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Until our next adventure, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and remember that distance is just the beginning of your destination.